It is indeed a moment of special pride for us to hold the release of the journal as part of our 25-year celebrations and in the presence of an extremely erudite and well-acclaimed legal luminary, Honorable Justice Chittotosh Mukherjee.
Today marks a significant milestone in our law college journey towards academic excellence. In an era where law is constantly evolving to meet the demand of a dynamic society, therefore, the need for a dedicated, rigorous, and intellectually stimulating platform for legal discourse is a sine qua non.
I request Mr. Probir Roy sir and Professor Bashpa Chaudhary sir to felicitate Honorable Justice Chittotosh Mukherjee.
Sri Chittotosh Mukherjee, Honorable Justice, respected Sri Chittotosh Mukherjee, is with us today on the occasion of opening the Nyaya Drishti, that will be the first journal for the Heritage Law College.
I'm really glad that we could come here, and you are really lucky that you are going to get blessings from one of the most senior most person in the legal line, and we will be celebrating his centenary maybe in another 4 or 5 years, and we will celebrate it in Heritage and bring him here back when he crosses 100 years.
May I say that I've been honored to inaugurate the first law journal of your college. Well, I've been a law student many years ago. Both the order in which you held the law and the building you read law in the Calcutta University, top floor, and the college that now you are reading, my young friends here, are vastly different from each other. But then the law is not to remain static.
On behalf of Kalyan Bharti Trust, Heritage Group of Institutions, Heritage Law College, and on my own behalf, I convey deep regards and heartfelt thanks to Honorable Justice Chittotosh Mukherjee, former Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court and Bombay High Court, for gracing this inaugural ceremony and sharing with us his vision of legal education to match the best in the world.